Hello, wonderful people. My name is Samson, and I am learning web design at Oasis Tech, and I'm doing front-end web development. You see, before I started this program, I had no knowledge about web development, but I had the curiosity. I wanted to know about how, how all the websites that I visit every day are being built. So, due to my curiosity, I was searching for a platform where I can learn. So I stumbled upon one Facebook advert about free web development. I took the course. When I took the course, I have to be honest, I'm not really someone that like all this online training and stuff. So I was not really paying attention due to distractions and all of that, but I loved how they were teaching. Like everything was, they were breaking everything down to my understanding. So after that, I started to locate their office and enroll for a full-time front-end web development. So I started in October 2024, and I must say my journey has been a wonderful journey with the instructors, bringing everything down to our understanding. Like when I mean bringing everything down, they come down to your level to teach you everything that you have to know about web development. First of all, we started with front end. We started with HTML, CSS, and then we entered JavaScript, which is the basic tools that needed for front-end web development. So first of all, started with HTML, which is the structure of every website, and we completed that HTML and now went into CSS, which is styling. And I must say it was really an eye-opener for me. Something that you have always wanted to do, but you don't know how to do it. Only for you to see a place where they teach you, and not only teach you, but they make sure they teach you to a point, in a way that you understand it, and also even give us tasks to do after every class, which made it easier for me to practice. Because one thing about me, I like hands on deck kind of stuff. So while learning, I decided to take my time and build a portfolio website for myself. As you can see on the screen here, this is my personal portfolio website. I decided to task myself to build a portfolio website because after training, is the next thing that you have to do is to start receiving gift. And one of the things that people will ask you is your portfolio. So I decided to build a personal portfolio website. As you can see on my screen here, this is my personal portfolio website that I'm building. So currently I am learning React. I just learned React now, but I didn't use React to do this particular project. I used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap to build this particular website here. Although I'm still building it because I'm not done with it. It's still ongoing. So basically what I use in building this project that I see on the screen now is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. What I would say to anybody that is hoping to go into tech, Oasis Tech is the place to be. When I say Oasis Tech is the place to be, they are the right place for you. A place where you get value for your money. A place where they will bring themselves down to your understanding. A place where they will guide you to learn whatever you want to learn, be it web development, be it front end, be it back end, be it digital marketing, be it UI UX design, be it cyber security. In fact, name it. Oasis Tech is the best place for you. So I recommend Oasis Tech. Oasis Tech is located at number 23 Port Harcourt Road, Owerri.
to Tech Hub, where innovation meets excellence. Are you in need of a cutting-edge website tailored to your specific needs? Whether you are a bank looking to enhance your online presence, or a delivery company seeking seamless logistics solutions, or perhaps a school aiming to streamline communication and student engagement, look no further than Tech Hub. Guess what, guys? Our team of expert developers specializes in creating bespoke websites for every industry. It's crazy, right? Join the ranks of our satisfied clients and elevate your online presence today. Tech Hub, where your digital dreams come true. We innovate, we create, and most importantly, we elevate.